Did you know that you can actually put an expiration date on access for a document? So this is something relatively new. So these are some documents that I have shared, and I'm going to show you on this one in particular. I am going to go to the share, and I'm going to show you that I am currently sharing this document with Jen Groff. So right now she is an editor in this, but if I want to limit her access and give it an expiration date, if I click on the arrow beside editor, I can go down to add an expiration. So I can put an expiration date on here and let it expire in 30 days. And then save that change. And now that access will expire in 30 days. If I want to go back and remove that, I can go back again and go into the share. And you'll see I have a timer on here. So I can go back in again and edit the expiration. Now, if I wanted to change the date, I could change it here and maybe make it longer. Or I can remove the expiration and then save it. So that's how you can use expiring access controls in your Google Drive.